can give people who like chocolates. They have treats. This looks delicious. You can see you can give somebody a gift like this, $14.99. This is some type of caramel. And maybe it's something that you've always wanted. And then you give, you remember Sanders sea salt, candies, the lollipops. There's so many gifts. Dark chocolate covered cherries. So many gifts that you can give. Milk chocolate, hazelnut, $5.99. They have the milk chocolate there. So many gifts that you can give people. Look at the different olive oils, sea salts, things that you can take to your home, but stuff that you can give people. Coffee drinkers would love to have this stuff. Cocoa, give them a gift. Maybe it's somebody you don't know very well, but you know that they, you can make up a basket of a couple of things, or give a single item, gift item. You know? Give a single gift item. These are the food items. The maple syrup, the sprinkles. The preserves, for those of you who like that. Look at this, bag of popcorn, $3.99, as long as it's not stale. You know, all this caramel corn, and just something in it. Salted peanuts, this bag of peanuts, $19.99 for that. But just think, if you don't know what gift to give someone, coffee. You know, people who are coffee drinkers, that you know they drink coffee. The vanilla syrup. So see, teas, the different teas. You know, how unique is, look at this. And sometimes you want to make sure but you may want something yourself. I don't know about buying food that's been marked down. I don't know about that one. Definitely have to check an expiration date for this stuff. Oh, how cool is this? Milk chocolate scramble. Okay. Look at these cookies. I'm supposed to stay away from this. $3.99. Mexican wedding cookies. What is that about? $3.99. Look at that. Almond cookies made with real almonds and coated with powdered sugar. Oh wow, sounds delicious. Look at this. Give somebody stuff like this. It's only like, I think, I saw the price in here somewhere. Oh, $2.99. Yeah, and this looked like some type of French pastry like type thing. Okay. So they have many gifts. It may not be a throw or whatever. It could be a food item or a non-food item. But this is just an idea. And they used to have stuff. They have stuff like this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. A lot of those stores have gone out of business. So you have home goods here to choose from. Bacon Lovers Collection. People who love bacon. Okay. Pasta. Maybe give them some olive oil and some pasta, you know. And you have the tomato sauce and marinara sauce down below. So there's a lot. Y'all do know some people call Coffee Joe. And the stuff that you can put in it. But you think about, what would you want as a gift? What would you want? Okay, guys.